Hi everyone, welcome to Storeino. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to contact the support chat in our platform storeino.com. When you log into your account, just right at the top here, as you can see, we have the support chat. Click on this icon, and as you can see, we have first of all the text message option. Just click on here and then send a message describing your problem, and our team will be responding as fast as possible. Second option, which is the vocal messages, just click on this icon to start recording, and just like that you can explain your problem to our team so that they can make sure that they find you the right solution to this problem. When you are done with explaining, just click on stop, and then you can also cancel if you are not satisfied with the way you explain the problem. But if you are satisfied, just click on send and it will be sent to our team. The third option, however, is the image option. If you have a screenshot describing the problem you are facing with your store, just click on this icon and then select the image. And as you can see, we also have the cancel option. If you are not satisfied with the image and you want to choose another one, just cancel and choose the right one. But if you are selecting the right one, just click on send and it will be sent to our team. However, that was the first option on contacting the support. We also have another option here at the left. We have support. Just click on it, and then here, as you can see, create ticket. Now this page will show up. First of all, it requires you to write the subject of the problem you are facing. So just go ahead and type the problem you are facing, and the second one is the department you are facing the problem in your store. For example, I'm going to choose the technique department. Here we have the store. In case you have multiple stores in your account, just go ahead and choose the store you are facing the problem in. I'm going to choose my store. And lastly, we have the message where you describe the problem you are facing with your store, so the team can help you with it and find you the right solution. When you are done with filling the information, just click on confirm. And as you can see, just like that, the ticket was created and it is open. Now here in the actions, we can click on view, and you can see at the left we have the information of our ticket, and on the right we have the replies of the team, and here you will receive the solution to the problem you are facing with your store. That was everything for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to write them right down in the comments, and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.